Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to introduce myself. I'm a Leadtec Satellite Plus terminal. Satellite Plus is one of the most advanced systems used in manufacturing today. The Satellite Plus system will improve productivity and earnings for you and your company by giving everyone up-to-date, real-time, and correct information about what's happening at your facility. Things like who's here, who's working on what product, how much production has been done, the work in process inventory, and where the bottlenecks are. The Satellite Plus system will replace time clocks, bundle coupons, and gummed sheets and eliminate the time that is wasted working with these things. The Satellite Plus system will also automatically compute payroll and streamline your company's operation in many other ways. At the start of each bundle, take the bundle card, barcode side facing left, and scan it through the terminal. Listen for the beep and watch for the asterisks, indicating that the terminal has read the card. If it was not read, try again. Remember not to stop in the middle. When the card is read, after the received message, your screen will display 6 sets of numbers. The number on the upper left side of the screen represents the value of the bundle. This value may be displayed in money or time. The center number across the top is the number of units in the bundle, and the number in the upper right is a percentage that represents your overall efficiency so far today. On the first scan of the day, your efficiency percentage will always be 0. Starting on the left, the number on the bottom of the display is a counter that represents the amount of time it should take you to complete your job on the bundle at your target efficiency. The lower center counter tells you how many units you should have completed so far in order to maintain your target efficiency. The number on the bottom right shows you what your bundle efficiency would be if you finish the bundle you're working on now. Okay, on to new stuff. Like we've shown you before, you scan your bundle ticket at the start of each bundle. If you start a bundle and are unable to complete it due to the end of your workday, reassignment to another job, or a quality problem, you can quit the bundle and receive payment for just those pieces that you have completed. All you have to do is press the blue function key followed by the number 5. Your terminal will ask you to enter in the quantity done. Key in the number of units that you have finished, followed by the enter key. The number of units that you finished is subtracted from the bundle quantity. If you or any other worker scan this bundle ticket, all of the bundle information will now reflect the reduced number of undone pieces. Another reason for quitting a bundle is to stop a bundle before you go off standard. If you are working on standard, on regular production, and need to go off standard for any reason, you should always notify your supervisor and request off standard. For example, your machine is not working properly and you need downtime. Quit your bundle by using the blue function key followed by the number 5 key, and then key in the number of pieces you have completed and hit the enter key. This leaves the bundle ready for another employee to finish, or you can get back to it later if necessary. Notify your supervisor of the problem and request off standard. A request for off standard time can be done right at your terminal. You do not need to go to the time clock and clock out. You request off standard by pressing the blue function key followed by the number 9. Your terminal will then ask you for the labor code or reason for the request. These codes will be provided by your employer. You will have a 2-digit code to report issues like machine downtime, transfer, training, samples, waiting time, and others. After entering the 2-digit code, the terminal logs the request and displays a message indicating off-standard request reported. Remember that your request for off-standard time is only valid if your supervisor approves it. So be sure to let your supervisor know when you are requesting off-standard time. If you request off-standard by mistake and would like to cancel the request, simply hit the red function key followed by the number 9 key. Your terminal will display off-standard request canceled. When the situation is resolved, for example, if your machine gets fixed, you finish sewing the sample run, or whatever the case may be, and you want to return to on-standard production work, simply press the red function key followed by the number 6. Your terminal will display Operator on Standard. At this point, you are back on production work and should scan your bundle cards normally. The first thing I would like to show you is how to change your target efficiency. Each terminal has the ability to pace you at the efficiency you request. Let's say you have been averaging 98% efficiency, and today you want to make an extra effort to run at 110%. You can change your target efficiency, and the motivational timers will pace you at your new level. To change your target efficiency, press the blue function key followed by the number 6. Your terminal will display Change Target Efficiency. For this example, you would type in 110 and press Enter. The next bundle card you scan will now be clocked or paced at the new target of 110%. The amount of time allowed will be decreased, and the units that should be completed will count faster, but the actual value of the bundle ticket is not altered. If you forget what you have your efficiency set to, you can get this information by pressing the gray function key followed by the number 1. The terminal will display name and target efficiency information. If at any time during the day you want to do a quick earnings inquiry, all you have to do is press the gray function key followed by the number 2. Your terminal will respond by indicating the hours worked, quantity of units scanned, time earned, and money earned. This information is presented on the screen and will remain there until you return to the bundle information by pressing the gray function key followed by the number 4, or until another transaction is processed. Throughout the day, you can have the terminal display more detailed information about your earnings. All of these earnings transactions start by pushing the gray key and entering the number 9. Your terminal will ask you to enter an earnings code number. Codes 1 through 4 relate to earnings. If code 1 is entered, a total of all the day's earnings will display. If code 2 is entered, on-standard earnings only will show on the display. If code 3 is entered, the display will show only the earnings from approved off-standard time. The terminal will display earnings for the last IPR only if the code 4 is entered. Codes 5 through 8 relate to performance as compared to target efficiency. The terminal will display all-day performance or efficiency if code 5 is entered. On-standard performance or efficiency will display if code 6 is entered. Off-standard efficiency for approved off-standard time will display if code 7 is entered. If code 8 is entered, the terminal will display the performance for the current job and labor code. If you would like to get earnings information for yesterday, it is available once yesterday's payroll is processed. To access yesterday's earnings information, press the gray key followed by the number 9. Your terminal will ask you to enter Earnings Inquiry Code Number. Key the number 9 and press Enter. The terminal will display yesterday's hours worked, time earned, money earned, and dollars paid, which include any off-standard pay. Thank you for your time and attention. I hope you'll enjoy using your new Satellite Plus terminal, and I know it'll give you the information you need to maximize your productivity, minimize your downtime, and enjoy your work a whole lot more.